Welcome back everybody to Renegade Off-Road. I'm Ren, the blind Jeep guy. Today I got a nice sweet little product that I would like to share with y'all that I've used over a couple years, and it's a really good upgrade for the Jeep. I think it's the best and cheapest that I've come across. So let me show you what I got. Alright, so what we have here is the Speed Daddy stainless steel TIG welded header for the Jeep 4.0. Comes with just the regular gasket hardware there, the new gasket and new intake and exhaust gasket all in one. I think this header is a very good, cost-effective upgrade for this Jeep. One of the annoying problems with the 4.0 is the header crack, which sounds like this. So I'm going to remedy that with this header, which I've done on a lot of Jeeps. This is actually like the 6th time I've used this header on a Jeep, which is, they've held up. I've never had one crack on me again after putting this on. You're not going to believe me when I say this, but I've got this header for 60 bucks from eBay shipped to the door. So it ranges in prices, but the brand's called Speed Daddy. There's several other videos on YouTube about different Speed Daddy headers for different makes and models of vehicles, but this one's for the 4.0, which will work for your 91 to 99. The only issue with the 99 models is that's when Jeep came out with the new high flow intake, and the big issue with those is that when you mount them, they either hit on this here or on one of these two pipes. The inlets hit on. So if you were really wanting to use this header, you could kind of hammer down the edge to fit in underneath the intake, which there's not a problem with hammering your intake. It's just aesthetics. You could hammer this thing to death and there are dents and dings all over it, but it's not going to rob you from any performance. But the 4.0 isn't a powerhouse in its own right anyways, but it's got its torque. Also, the Jeep we're working on today is a 98 Wrangler TJ 4.0. This is a project I'm calling Second Chance TJ. It's got a crazy story with it. It's actually been sitting in a storage unit since 2008, believe it or not. She only has 80,000 miles on it. And it blows my mind how the header's already cracked in that spot, but what can you do? As for now, let's get this header thrown on and get this thing sounding 100% better than what it sounds like now. Alright, let's get started. Alright, got it out. I usually just unbolt this without undoing all the fuel lines and all that. It makes it a little easier, cleaner a little bit. But just zip tie it up out of the way and pull this thing apart. Let's take a look at this header. time. Major. I've never seen one that bad. Usually that cracks about right down here, this area. I've never seen it bust right there. That's a new one. Yeah, you can tell the difference between the two. This all clicks like weirdly up on one on each runner here, and then into one, and this goes down into 3 and 3 and then a 2. But let's get it thrown on. Alright, it's the next day. Got the header on. Sounds great. Hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video and quick little product plug. I'm not sponsored by them at all. This is just me, my opinion on this product. So if you like it, try it out for yourself. Tell me what you think. I will say this though, the only issue I had with this thing, of course with every part, you never know what's going to fit and what's not going to fit. I did have to do massaging on the intake. There's a little bitty fin on the bottom of this runner right here. You can actually kind of see it, a little fin down there. I'm trying not to burn myself, but I had to grind a little bit of that so it fit perfectly on the dowel pins or the guide pins on here. But other than that, fit great. Leave a comment if you've used this product before, or if you recommend any other headers to put on these Jeeps. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check out my Instagram at Wrenegade Offroad, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you guys later. Peace.